Ever wondered if you could actually make money online without spending a dime? It's not a myth. In this short video, I will show you an app that lets you earn money for essentially listening to music or playing games. This platform lets you turn your everyday phone usage into real cash. With this application, you will be able to accumulate as much as $899 per month of extra income from online for free. There is no skills or money required. All you need is to dedicate a few minutes of your time daily or when you are free.
And just in case you find any of our content helpful, kindly like and then also drop a comment, and don't forget to subscribe so that whenever we share updates like these, it's gonna come right on your inbox. Okay?
Current Rewards pays you for activities you already enjoy. Simply listen to music, play games, or even just charge your phone. The app tracks your engagement and rewards you with points for your time. It's that straightforward. Accumulating points is easy and consistent. Once you reach a minimum of 10,000 points, which translates to just $1, you can withdraw your earnings. They offer various convenient payment methods, including PayPal, gift cards, and even crypto. Start earning today and transform your free time into income.